Street food by Sugbo is now officially open from safe body temperature check, then sanitizing of hands, and now ang manok bisaya here. Yun mau guys, yes, Jinjoy, chick lang masingan ni guys, this social this. Ang highlights ato ang street food experience would be there. Of my new finds, these rice balls are only for 40 pesos niya ang bopis tag 35 ragani. Kanigyo detong una ko, the best yun na siya. Chicharon, ano cucumber ni ang chocolate sa week ang ako ang teeth. May difference niya tanaw. Sales open every day from Today, I'll be experiencing a food journey as I'll be going to the Street Food by Sugbo. Street Food by Sugbo is now officially open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. And as they resume their operation, they promise that this is your food market for the new world. Since safety has always been a concern, so no mask, no entry lang yung gihapon. And then again, naagihapon tayo contact tracing form that you need to sign up, or pwede rin sa dinyo iskandaan ang health declaration form that could be found in the Street Food by Sugbo nga Facebook page. Then again, body temperature check, then sanitizing of hands, and now you are ready to enter the street food. Some of the stores are not yet open, but I'm so happy kita na akong street food favorites kay nag-open na gyud. Ang stores nga mga open kay ang manok bisaya at iba pa. So obviously, yes, they have manok bisaya here. Unique 62 Nguyong House and the lamaw guys, yes. Ganahan na siya kung makaoglamaw in an outdoor experience, wala sulod sa balay. And yes, orderan gyud ay nato ang lamaw sisig and of course the original lamaw. And of course, lamaw is best paired with ngoyong. So ngoyong nyate, please. Thank you. Another good pair sa ato ang lamaw guys would be the Jinjoy Chicken Proven. So kana gyud kompleto na ang ato ang street foods. And yay, open sa ng Christine's Native Kakanin and Delicacies. Lami kinilang masingan ni guys, pero mas the best ilahang chocobon. And then again guys, bisag unsa mo ka-excited, please be responsible and practice social distancing. Of course, a food market experience will never be complete kung walay alimango. And of course, ang highlights ato ang street food experience would be the unsa pa man ni guys, hindi ang ato ang fish balls, squid balls, tempura, kwek-kwek, ug uban pa. I am so happy also nga nanagid sila linya for the ordering o na sa linya for the claiming. So dili na kita magtapok tanan to order. Na-excite na dayon ko. Because nothing eating with street foods nga init-init pa lang o gikan gyud sa karahakan na makapasok pa siya inigpaak nimo. And of course, yes, the freebie cucumbers. Yes, daghana ang cucumber please. And of course, please daghana ang sauce. Thank you so much, kuya. And one of my new finds here in Street Food by Sugbo is the Bertos Habhaban. Well, they are well known for their affordable. So, daghan kaayo na aslay sisig, paksiw, naihumba, og naapagyoy bopis. So yes, these rice balls are only for 40 pesos niya ang bopis tag 35 ragani. Ilag yung gipanindigan ilang hashtag na lami na, barato pa. But of course, dili na to kalimtan ang dalamaw guys, because for me, street food experience is not complete kung walay lamaw. But since na-excite ko sa Bertos Habhaban nga humba, pues kanigyo detong unahon. Kaya yes, ang tambok sa humba guys, the best yun na siya. Kanang yes, humba yun siya, bisayang humba yun siya yun. Kaya guys, ngaon ta, palaway lang ko more, makasayaw ka sa kalami. And of course, parisan yun day nato sa Unit 62 nga ngoyong. Mas perfect na yun. And now, it's time for the lamaw. There are many variants of lamaw guys, pero for me, the classic lamaw is the best. Rice, chicharon, siomai plus the egg, chili sauce pag yun. Wala na lami na yun kayo. Perfect na siya. Kamo, unsa ganahan nyo sa dalamaw guys, or unsa ganahan yung iparis sa inyuhang lamaw. And now, it's time for the highlights. Yes, ang kaning kikiam, kwek-kwek, fish balls. I really don't know if you have seen sa atong home cooking series nagbuhat man tag sauce para sa street foods or para sa atong tempura. Pero ambot lang yun, dili yun lahi yun basta naa yun tingali ka sa street food no, or na yun ka nganhi sa dan kaya murag lahi yun yahang lami. And happy sa jud ko kasi nagpausa ng butangan og cucumber ni ang street foods kay for me at least murag na healthy nga pakapin ang atong gikaon nga medyo oily og harinara. But you have to agree, bisag dili kay siya healthy, lami gyud siya. Speaking of not so healthy, let's go to sugar on sugar on sugar. It's the chocobod. Yes, guys, budbud nga na ay chocolate sa sulod. And to top it all up, dapat kinahanglan yun ta mag-alimango. Alimango has a lot of variants already pero nothing beats the original shake. And to finish a street food experience, kinahanglan yun ta mo kaon og ice candy. Ice candy ni Lola. And ilang bestseller kikaning ubi na flavor. And sorry na guys, nigawas gyud akong pagka-OC kana ako siya gitrapuhan og alcohol oy. Prino naman kiba kung limpyo og sterile man ni siya, but yes, mas maayong sure ta ato na gyud siyang trapuhan. And the struggle is real na dayon. For those who doesn't know, I am having my braces. So yes, biting or like kanang mag-abli ka using your teeth, medyo lisod yun siya nako added. I don't recommend it sa yun. And brag high quality kailang plastic, brag lisod yun siya ablihan. Ang kanang medyo nauwaw nagali ko kay gitanaw yun ko nila kay wa pa yun ako nakaon ng ako ang ice cream. Nangayo kong scissors pero wa man oy. At least yes, nabustot na nako siya guys. And labi siya, lami ang ubi, promise, ubi nga ice cream. Pero sana naman mas maabli ni nako siya no, kay para makaon ako siya ng buong buo. Kay di ba mas lami magyud ka ng ice cream kung buong buo siya o di siya malanay, kay murag dugay sa kay kung wato ni nako siya malanay. After 48 years, nagyud yapon ako siya maabli. Sorry nagyud kaayo. Kung saan gyud din ako siya pagkaon guys, oy. Sorry nagyud. Weak ang ako ang teeth. May difference niya tanawa. Open naman dayon oy, di ba? Sige lang, don't give up. So guys, if ever mo kaon mga street food ug mo try mo sa ice candy ni Lola, please do tag me ha kung giunsa niyo pag-abli or dali ba ninyo na abli ang ice candy ni Lola. And sayaw-sayawan tan lang ni as if kanang murag ako nag-uol nga og siya na abli. I think ituyo sa ni siya kay because honestly siyang kalami basic if ever dali ni siya ni ablihan makaduhan ako. And yes, ayan na ablihan na gyud nako. Kilahi gyud ng ice cream kung paako ni mong buong buo. And for that, yes. And brain freeze. Again, Street Food by Sugbo is open every day from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Ug magpaulit-ulit ko sa akong reminder na guys, in going out, let us all be responsible in protecting ourselves in the same way as protecting others. And of course, lastly, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay healthy, stay safe, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!